On today's episode, we are going to take a look at the 5 batteries that make up Calypso II's battery banks. There are 5 batteries, 1 to start the generator, 2 for the port engine start, and 2 for the starboard engine start, and the house bank. If you recall, we have had a few issues with the batteries over the season, and so what we're going to do is we're going to test them, and then we have to charge them all, because I'm guessing they are fairly low, and then we're going to load test them to see if these batteries will work for next season. So stay tuned. So remember, if you like this kind of content and you want to see more of it, please make sure you subscribe and click the like button. That really helps us out a lot, and we will keep bringing to you more informational type videos. To perform today's test, we're using the Centec 6-volt, 12-volt load tester. Not only is this device able to just check the voltage, but once they're charged, it's capable of putting a load on the batteries to see actually how good they are. So we will test each one and see what its current voltage is, as they have just been removed from the boat about a week ago. They've been here at the house, and we'll see where they're at. Okay, battery 1 is showing 4 volts, pretty much dead. Let's see what the next one is. Battery 2 is showing 6 volts, not much better, still pretty much dead. Now here's a change. Battery 3 is showing a little bit over 12 volts, so that's in pretty good shape just as far as current state of charge. Doesn't say how it will handle under load, but we'll make note of that. Battery 4 is flat dead, 0. This one may be beyond saving, but we'll give it a try. And battery 5 was similar to battery 2. It's showing about 6 volts also. So now the next step is to charge all of these, and what we're going to use is a digital smart charger. Prior to charging, I have checked all of the wet cells to ensure that they are brought up to right level. You use distilled water to ensure that there is sufficient electrolyte in them, and I will be charging them. It takes about 12 hours per battery, so we'll do that. And then we'll come back and we'll put them under load and see if any of these batteries are savable. Stay tuned. To charge the batteries, we're going to be using the Viking 4 amp 6-volt, 12-volt smart charger. This will charge any type of battery chemistry, either AGM, gel, deep cycle, or a standard flooded battery. You could not use this charger for LiPo batteries, but that's not what we're working with today. So we're going to put this battery charger on and see what the results we get. We're now in the process of checking battery number 3. It looks promising, and we'll see how the rest do. So we are now 3 batteries into the process of checking how good they are, just their first test. And as you can see, we are on the 3rd battery now, and this battery is showing 12.5 volts, which, if we recall from our earlier segment, that the 3rd battery did show promise, where the first 2 batteries were showing 5 and 6 volts respectively. The tester checked both of those batteries, and it turns out both of those batteries are unrecoverable, so we can't charge them, and those 2 batteries are not any good. Okay, so battery 3 is now hooked up to the tester. As you can see, it is showing just shy of 14 volts, about 13.7 volts. And we will put it under load. And what it's showing is that the battery is solidly in the good range. And so this battery, no surprise, is good. So what I think the plan will be for these batteries is that this one battery will be used for the generator start, and then the other 4 will be replaced. Because the generator battery is charged from the generator and not from the onboard charger, I think it's okay that this one is a wet cell, because I think what we will do is we will get 4 Group 31 AGM batteries to replace this. We'll get those in the spring, and what we'll do is we'll bring these batteries in to cover the core charge. When you buy a new battery, they typically want you to return a battery just to ensure that it's disposed of properly. We'll bring these old batteries in when we buy the new batteries in the spring, and then they will be reinstalled into Calypso II, and hopefully that should alleviate our battery problem. I think we're going to leave this video there, and thanks for watching.